Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 362, Technical Analysis, Crypto and Stocks. Happy Monday, guys. I hope you're having a great Monday night so far. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. It's always amazing links that we cover here on this awesome stream. How's it going, guys? Thank you for being here. Before I start with the actual stream, I want to invite you guys to check out the post that Bitcoin Jake made on the State of Crypto. It is for an airdrop. Supposedly, they're going to give out $1,000 worth of crypto to each user that signs up. Unknown yet whether or not that's going to be true, but you know, if it comes true, you have $1,000. If not, you know, you didn't lose that much. They don't ask for any kind of KYC so far. Just gotta join 2 Telegram groups, pays your Ethereum wallet, and follow them on Twitter. That's it. Not a lot, right? So to do like 3 easy steps for $1,000 seems too good to be true, but go check it out, right? Use Bitcoin Jake's code so he gets the $50 referral. And yeah, because he's awesome, dude. He gives out a lot to the community, right? So use his code and get that stuff done, right? Yeah, I know it's stupid DeFi airdrops, dude. But you know, whatever. It's free crypto, right? That's the whole point. If it comes true, it's free crypto. If not, we'll figure out what it is, right? On that note, let's move on to the technicals and figure out what's happening. There we go, technicals. Yay! What's going on with crypto today? Have you guys seen the market? I haven't seen the market all day, dude. I just barely saw it today. What happened? We run to the next target, right? The 50% lead, that beautiful. Hit it almost spot on, the high. 334.46. We have it at 334.60. So very close to it, right? Again, yesterday managed to go down 0.79%. Approximately 2.59 billion to the downside. Today still going slightly going up, $30 million, so not too much, right? Losing 0.01%. Again, probably gap down on the opening. Sitting at $324.46 billion market cap. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 60%, 60.90% of market cap. Yesterday managed to gain a little bit, 0.05, actually lost, right? 0.05 today, going down still 0.09%. Heading for that 20, managing to hold support there. Not a lot happening. Neutral on that RSI at 49.57. Let's check out what happened with Bitcoin futures, right? We looked at this yesterday where we were going up today. We're starting to go down today, so not too good. Heading for that 20, so yeah, that's all good there, right? Yesterday we said that we opened and moved from where we opened and moved up a little bit, so that was good. The price of Bitcoin at $10,689.09. Oh no, what happened? We're going up here. It was all good, right? And then we failed to stay above that 10,837. We're going to figure out what's happening there on the short time scales, right? But I'm not worried about it yet. Had a low, positive to less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Nothing bullish happening besides this old bullish divergence we have, but also nothing bearish here, right? And that note's neutral at 48.47. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Jake saying he's going to lead the tweets later, but they're monetized for now. Awesome, bro. So what's happening here with Bitcoin, right? Look, we're looking for divergence up here, right? We didn't get it here when we were live. We ended up developing still later on, right? Look at that, coming to here, right? Still going slightly higher. Right, look at that, coming to here, right? So creating that strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We knew we were going to get the movement down. We knew we were going to test for support at 10,837, which we did. And then we just failed because we had the bearish divergence, right? So again, we did come down and broke below 20, but still managing to hold support at that 10,647 buck area. So I'm not too worried about this, right? We just undid a little bit of the gains we made. Could we go for another rally? I'm not sure yet. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, right? Here on the RSI, I'm trying to gauge whether or not we have any kind of divergence. I do believe we might, yeah. I think we do. This is 47.71, and this is 46.95. So coming in lower on that RSI, right? On the 4-hour chart. And we're going from a low to a higher low. So creating that hidden bullish, right? Potential for a rally to come in. Or at least stalling at this area, right? we still come down here and stall at a support, right, at 10,647. So not too worried about this yet. That's all we have right now, right? We had the strong bearish against the RSI, against the MACD. You know, we move down. That's fine. No worries here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, by the way, sitting neutral at 46.95 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, right, we're going higher, right? It was all good. We had the hidden bullish. We pumped. That was great to hear. Then we didn't create anything bearish there. We failed to make another high, right? A higher high. So it could be breaking from the shorter time scale. I was really hoping that Bitcoin was going to close somewhere around here before we started to move down. That's okay. We bearishly moved below that 20, then rejected the 20, and when we rejected the 20, we break down again. We broke the resistance, the previous resistance that was support now at 10,837, and now we're holding support at 10,647. So not a lot. Again, yeah, we dropped like $200 if you consider this areas up here. Not too worried about this yet. Sitting sold at 31.38. Again, back on this channel, right? Well, we've been on this channel for a while. Got back to it. Nothing wrong. We could try to go for another run, maybe. But here we have some hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Look at that, coming in higher here. All right, coming in higher. And making much more negative momentum, also much lower on that RSI, right? So some hidden bullish divergence there for potential stalling and price action to the upside, right? Continuation. So we are in an uptrend, stalling a little bit, so we could be doing a reversal here. Maybe head back to that 10,137, probably retest that 20. That 20 right now, 20 moving average at 10,842, man. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? By the way, I gotta say something. It's a pain in the butt to get to Hive, dude. To get honey. It's just freaking, like, it took me a while to be able to get the dye, because I couldn't find it. And then I thought I had to like get it on Uniswap, and I just went to Coinbase and just switched some coins there to dye, and then send them over to the MetaMask, and then convert that to dye. And I think it was like the fastest way to do it. But again, if I would have gone through Uniswap, just to get $2 worth of dye, I had to pay like $5 more worth of Ethereum. So it's insane, dude. Like, the gas fees are freaking stupid, man. Right? I mean, this is a small amount I was sending, dude. Right? So it didn't make sense to pay that high of a fee. But you know, that's when you start to realize that Ethereum network's not going to be the best network in the future, right? They're just going to struggle, dude, because it sucks how it works there. Like, if the gas would become, like, insanely high, it's going to be a pain in the butt to use the Ethereum network. Anyways, what's happening with Ethereum? Sitting at $354.33. Yes, we managed to hit that area of resistance at 364.03. We rejected, moving lower, also rejecting the 20, right? Moving below that 20 and closing. So again, stalling at this area. We're doing something here? No, right? Positive to less positive, high to low on the RSI. So last thing we have is a strong bullish. You can try to rally from here still. So let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what we got there. On the 4 hour, right? We're creating kind of bearish divergence. We dropped a little bit, so we ended up not making it there. But we made it up here when we climbed a little bit more and went there, right? We no longer have it here against the RSI, so that's okay. But just against the MACD, strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside, we had it near resistance. We broke down, right? Tried to hold support, failed, and moved lower. Now we're trying to regain that 20, and that's all we have. We don't have any negative momentum here. Everything's higher here on the RSI, so nothing we can chart here that is bullish or bearish except this that we just called, right? On that note, let's move over to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour Ethereum? Bullish divergence hidden. We took that rally, right? That was great. All good. Now, high, higher, high. Like, positive, right? Less positive across the market, I believe. Let's check this one. 66. 64. Slightly less. Just very slightly less, right? Coming down nonetheless like that. Right? So, making less positive momentum as we're going higher on price. Again, creating that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI, which is okay. And on that note, we moved down, hit that 20, tried to hold support, failed, and broke down on there, right? Now, what do we have here? Just like Bitcoin, this has that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right, against the MACD and against the RSI. So we could start to stall at this area, right, like we have been doing, and maybe try to go for a rally, maybe retest that 20 at 360.25, and if we get above there, we have 364.03 to look at. But that'll be what we have in store right now. On that note, let's move over to XRP, man. What is happening to XRP, dude, on the daily? Rejecting 24.629, so again, not the best. We have kind of bearish divergence here. Do we manage to hold on to that? I'm not sure. 47.84, or below that. So no, we kind of undid the bearish divergence that we were looking for, right? That is that, right? We're just moving down a little bit. We still have, we have strong bullish divergence. That's prevailing. Trying to get back above that 20 on the daily, which is okay. Again, probably going to retest that 24.629. Neutral at 47.23 on the RSI. Not a lot happening, right? Again, we're looking for the bearish divergence here. We didn't get it there. We got it here, which would just mean we would anchor there and anchor there as well. Again, creating that strong bearish divergence for action to downside, rejecting resistance at 24.629. Breaking below the 20 right now. Looks like we want to regain it on the 4 hour. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. Neutral at 52.92 on the RSI. So again, not a lot. We've got to wait. If we reject the 20, we're going to move lower. If we get above the 20, we're going to very likely retest that 24.69 area. I hope that we get to retest that area. That will be good. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. So nothing bullish here. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, finally, we ended up creating this bearish divergence, right? Also, where we were expecting to create it, right? So high, higher, high, right? And coming in from positive to less positive, and a high point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So strong bullish divergence at resistance, move down, hit that 20, try to hold support, try to rally, failed to go higher than the previous high. And that note we broke down again, right? So nothing off here, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI, lower on the RSI. I want to see back here, 39.22, 38, 38.28, 38.37, slightly higher. So nothing, no hidden bullish here. I'm not going to call hidden bullish on this, and I'm going to wait for this to develop a little bit more. Again, trying to recover a little bit. Impulse down. It looks like upsloping consolidation right now for XRP. That is usually bearish and usually breaks down. On that note, if you like what we do, hit that like that bell and that sub, because why not? Let's go check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Litecoin on the daily. We're looking for the hidden bearish, right? Which we still have. Again, price action to downside. We might no longer have it against the RSI, to be fair. Yep, not against the RSI, just against the MACD. So on that note, we're breaking down on the hidden bearish. Potential action to the downside. Again, we rejected the 20, which was a resistance. Now trying to gain today a little bit, 0.82%. Neutral at 41.96 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Right, on the 4 hour, again, this came from the 1 hour chart because it makes no sense where it's at. So let's send that over there real quick. All right, we're creating bearish divergence, strong price action to downside. That's fine. This is the highest point we made. We'll just anchor to here now. High, slightly higher high, so nothing against the RSI. Breaking down on that, right? Held support at the 20 once, twice, 3 times. Then finally broke below there. Neutral at 48.11. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, not a lot happening, right? I don't believe I missed any kind of divergence here. Let's see. Right. Nope. Nope. Nothing. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Came higher, right? We're making anything to here. We're not doing anything here either. Like try to rally, right? Move down, hit that 20, try to rally, failed. Right. Lower, lower, lower. Nothing bearish. Hugging that 20, breaking below 20, and then moving farther down. Now here. Are we doing something? Let's see. Low, high. Yeah, here I'm gonna call this one. From low to higher low. Alright. Then coming in from negative momentum to, low point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. And on that note, I would be calling this hidden bullish, potential rally coming in. Rallying a little bit. Stalling now. Neutral at 40.72 on the RSI. Not a lot, guys, really. Fuck, sorry, dude. I just feel like yawning, dude, so bad, man. Try not to yawn on the stream. I just had dinner too, so you know I started to feel a little bit heavy and sleepy, which is not good. It's never good to feel sleepy. Changing the music. Try to play something more upbeat. Hope this one's good. Right on. So what's going on with Binance? Look at this. Binance on the daily, right? Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. That's fine. We broke above that 20. Sitting at $27.10, by the way. I don't think I called the price of Litecoin. $45.58. The price of XRP at 24.20. And Ethereum at 354.57, right? Let's see what Binance is at. Hidden bullish. Rallying. Getting over the 20, which is good. 27.14 neutral. At 56.49 on the RSI. Nothing happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're hunting for the hidden bearish. We did move down slightly, not too much. Hit the 20, right, or near the 20. Took a bounce, which is okay. Going slightly higher. And here's when it's going to get good, because this is developing stuff, right? Creating strong bearish divergence. Price action to the downside. We also have it against the RSI. Look at that. Beautiful, man. We have to move down, right? That's what the expected move is. Moving down maybe for a retest of that 20. Moving average to 20 at 26.12 cents. $26.12. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What do we have here on the 1-hour? Man, damn it, dude. I feel super... I don't know why I'm yawning so much, dude. I had like a couple cups of coffee as well throughout the day, so... I'm not going to call these against the MACD because we do have this island, which is sizable. But we're creating that hidden bearish. Action to the downside. Moving down, hitting that 20. Trying to bounce. Is the airdrop going to happen? Which airdrop, Andrew? I'm not sure, dude. You know, it's just airdrops that, you know, we're publishing there. It's opportunities, right? If you guys want to get free crypto, you got to like try out, or you got to try to get some of these airdrops. Whether or not they pan out or play out, it's a whole another thing. But, you know, I've been in plenty of airdrops where I've, you know, done a lot of stuff and didn't get jack. And I've been on airdrops where I have gotten coins, which, you know, then again, it's okay, right? In higher low, right? Action to downside. Hitting that 20, finding support, which is okay, right? All things good there. Now short term. Support at the 20 because we're creating also hidden bullish. That's why we're creating that support, right? Probably forgot to anchor this here at the 1 hour. Yeah, I did, see. I'll tell you which one I'm a little bit more excited for right now, though, short term, right? The honey stuff, right? Hidden bullish, potentially rally, right? Sitting neutral at 55.34. On that note, there were some pre-stream requests, so I'm going to check them out. I didn't get a chance to write them out before I started, but, you know. XTC, ETH, and YFB, right? Right on. I'll tell you which I'm a little bit more excited for. The honey airdrop. Not the honey airdrop, but the honey faucet. Right, I was telling you guys about that prior to the stream starting. The reason why I liked it is because they're having a good payout, right? That's the only reason why I'm liking this. Look, I'll refresh this. Honey is sitting about 900 and change last time I looked at it. 907, right? So it's going down a little bit, so not too bad. But the way they're going with this, right, is they have an airdrop. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it here. I think I went there from the Discord. So I'll tell you guys in a second. You got to do this thing with Bright ID, which is like a way to now have proof of ID, but without it being without you showing any kind of documents, right? You just join a chat. They validate you. It's a live chat, so like they validate that you're a real person. And once they validate that you're a real person, you know you're accepted basically, right? So they just prove that you can only claim once per address, and that it's a real person and not a bot that's doing it. So I think it's an interesting concept. Where's this? Look, I'll show you guys why I think this one's good, right? Because this one's paying out, and the reason why I think it's good is this. Look, there haven't so far. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this on the screen. You're not. So I'm gonna move this over here. Change the track. You got super slow, man. There we go. There's 764 users, right? They distribute 281.98 of these things or so far. But the amount that gets paid is per user, right? On the last period of the people that claim was 0.0164, right? So that's 1.64. Right, look at that. We'll do that here. Sorry. Right, 0.164 times. It was 900 bucks, right? 900 bucks. There you go. So they're paying out right now about 14 bucks every 2 days, right? You can only claim it once every 24 hours, I think, or every 48 hours. Right. So, but again, that's why I like it, dude. It's a good amount of money that you can claim right now, and you know, that's the only reason I got into it right now, basically. ADA? Sure, man. We'll do ADA. But to connect to Hive, you need to have XDAI, and you just got to transfer like a penny, right? So they're not asking you for like a huge amount. That's why I don't believe it's a scam. You know, your scams usually request a huge amount. This one just requested a penny to confirm the address, basically, and that's it. Yeah, it's wasn't that bad, but you know, we'll see how that plays out. However much they end up giving on the faucet, I think it's going to be good enough for the time being. Anyways, let's go check out XTC. That was the first request we had. One second, XTC, and then we're going to do... And, right on. XTC to the dollar, dude. We're looking at this chart or the other one. I can't remember. Let's go to daily. Yeah, this one. That's the right chart, right? Right. Either this from this time scale, or we just you know, we haven't looked at this in a while. We haven't looked at XTC in a while. I think that's why. So we're looking for kind of bullish divergence here, which we obviously ended up getting rid of, right? Because we went much lower, so that's fine. That's why I keep on looking for stuff. So we move below the 20. Still below 20 right now. It did create some strong bullish divergence, but later on, right? So from here to here on the daily. And then from here to here on the daily. Nothing against the RSI, that's fine. Short term here, we do have that strong bullish, so I'll just highlight it here. And that move, we're taking that nice balance, heading for that 20 and potential resistance at the 618 at 2. What is this area? 2.32. Right now, sitting at $2.26, right? So trying to get that rally happening. We'll see if that's going to happen on the shorter time scale. Sitting neutral at 41.77 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have bearish divergence, right? Look at this. Going higher. And coming lower, right? Look at this. Just against the RSI, not against the MACD, right? So strong bearish divergence. Action to downside. Maybe for a retest of that 20 at 2.21. Here we had bullish divergence, I think. Look at that. High to low. So from here. Right, coming in lower. From here to here. And that from here to here, right? So again, strong bullish divergence. That's why we rallied on this. Right now we're creating strong bearish. Let's see how that's going to play out. Neutral at 57.83 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour, we're going higher every time. That's fine. Here, short term on the 1 hour, we're creating strong bearish divergence. So from here to here, right? It'll be the same as from here to here, right? Bearish divergence strong. We don't have it against the RSI, so that's fine. Action to downside, we move down, breaking the 20. Starting to create, you know, rejection of the 20, which we know usually brings us lower. But we do have hidden bullish divergence developing. which is okay. That will imply that we're going to get price action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, sitting neutral at 49.20. So we have some hidden bullish, but then we had strong bearish, right? And then we move down. We have hidden bullish now. Let's see if that's going to hold. On the 4 hour, strong bearish, right? Potential action to the downside. And then on the daily, we didn't have anything. So that is that right now. Oh, we do have something, by the way. I just missed it. I looked at it right now. We're zoomed out from here to here. On the daily, oh. Right, and from here to here, right? So going higher. Hidden bearish starting to develop here. Near resistance. So we'll see how that plays out. XTC not looking too hot right now. Maybe the movement here will be to the 20, right? See if we find support. We'll see how that goes. You know, rejection of the 20, that's okay. We're gonna hold the 4 hour 20 and try to go for bounds. And the 1 hour below 20. Let's see if we can. We might drop a little bit more on rejection of the 20, but we'll see, dude. Again, these might follow the rest of the cryptosphere, which is okay. That's XTC in a heartbeat, right? Let's go. Ethereum already did. So Andrew already did Ethereum. I'm just gonna jump to YFB. YFB at $7.10. Where's it at here? Let's see. Nothing on the daily, so we'll skip that. On the 4 hour, we're starting to create stuff. All right, we're looking for this hidden bearish, which we still got here, right? If we keep on tracking there, price action to downside, moving down on that. Low, higher, low, right? Negative, more negative, I believe. Let's see. 0.3, 0.6. Yep. So definitely going slightly higher there, or more negative momentum there. Sorry. More negative momentum building up, and we're making a higher low, and that's what I'm making right now. So hidden bullish. We don't have that against the RSI. That's fine. It's neutral at 41.18. Let's see if this hidden bullish manages to stall. And at least try to get us above that 20. That 20 right now at at $8. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening here with the 1 hour chart? We're creating bearish divergence. We managed to pump. Still created bearish divergence on that pump, right? Look at that. Boom. All this on the 1 hour chart. There we go. And here we're going from here to here, right? And on the RSI, I need to zoom in a little bit more. 71.86, 72, slightly higher. So I'm not going to call it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Price action to downside, we move down. Hit that 20, went for a bounce, got slightly higher, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, slightly higher. So high, higher high. Then coming in from a positive to negative. And then on the RSI, we also have that, strong bearish divergence. So going slightly higher, coming in lower on the RSI and the MACD. Strong bearish divergence, price action to the downside now. Look at this, right? Beautiful. Right here, we're coming lower. Going from negative to less negative, right? Creating strong bullish, but we don't have it against the RSI. Now short term here, right? Look, boom, boom. Right? Coming in lower still in the price. What is this at? 5.4, slightly less still. So from here to here, strong bullish divergence, and we also have it now on the RSI. So we might be going for a rally here. Retest that 20 as resistance at 7.49. If we get above there, we have the strong bullish divergence to run a little bit more. We could try to get above these levels again, right? That 7.95 and probably even target 9.26. Too early to tell how strong that bullish divergence is going to play. It's really going to depend on how much Bitcoin's going to allow this to play, right? We're going to do Cardano now. On the daily, we're creating bearish divergence. Hidden. We're still creating it, right? We're still developing it to here. Potential for price action to the downside, or at least stalling. We're starting to stall. Trying to regain the losses that we had yesterday, which is okay, no problem with that, right? Yesterday we lost 0.00096. We're gaining 0.0013. So gaining a little bit more. Cardano sitting at 10 cents, 10.16 cents. Again, bearish divergence, hidden, potential movement down. Let's see how that's going to play out. Sitting neutral at 54.24 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, we're creating strong bearish, right? Look at that. We called it out yesterday. Price action to the downside. We moved down. Hitting that 20, which was one of the targets, right? Holding support once, trying to go slightly higher. We'll see how that's going to be handled in the next couple candles. Sitting bought at 62.20. If we hold here the 20, we could try to go for another bounce. Maybe create more bearish divergence. We'll see. But right now, we just got to wait and see how this is going to play out, right? With this chance that the next candle could be red, come down, maybe try to break us below 20. Could be stalling here a little bit. I do believe we have some hidden bullish here at least. 000122. 00016, right? So 12216. So negative to more negative momentum here on the 4 hour chart. We'll go from a low to a higher low, right? That's why I believe we might try to stall at this area. Maybe try to go for a small pump again. Sitting bought at 62.22 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour had bearish divergence. We moved down slightly, right? We try to go for another rally, which is okay. No problems with that. We knew we could do that. After here, you know, maybe hitting the 20 or so. Creating strong bearish divergence still, once more. Finally against the RSI now, and on that we're breaking down. Boom. Below 20. Rejection of the 20, right? Look at that. Moving lower. Now, we are creating hidden bullish here as well. Look at that, right? Going higher, low to higher low. And here, negative to more negative momentum. And from a high point on the RSI, or low point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Right now, sitting neutral at 45.84. On that note, I'm going to go check out DVT, man. That is ADA, man, right? We have some hidden bullish on the 1 hour. We have some hidden bullish on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we have some strong bullish, old strong bullish, but we have more recent hidden bearish. Let's see. Again, that's why we could be stalling at this area, right? Hidden bullish versus hidden bearish on daily. And you know, we'll see how that plays out. But that's going to be it for Cardano. Let's go check out DVT, man. DVT at 5.2 sats, which is okay. Let's get some indicators out here. RSI, the MACD, I'm on the. There we go. Alright, look at this, right? We're creating bullish divergence. Coming in lower here, right? Going from negative to, so negative to less negative, right? And the low point on the other side to a higher point. That's becoming lower on that price. Creating that strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. We're getting the rally, but we're failing. Why are we failing, dude? Why are we failing? High, lower, high, right? Let's see. High to lower high. Dude, we shouldn't be failing here, right? We move down again. We have the strong bullish still. Let's see how this is going to play out. I don't like the fact that this failed. We had the bullish divergence. Strong. Not sure why we're failing there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Maybe we have a clue there. By the way, thank you all for being here, man. You guys are amazing. Thanks for supporting this channel with your views. It's so cool that you guys are here today. Again, look at this, right? Low. Lower low. Finally, we can call something here. All right. Negative. That's negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. Creating strong bullish divergence also. On the 4 hour, right? Potential for a rally. Maybe it's starting to happen, right? So we get from whatever this is, 5-1 or 5-2 right now. If we get a rally, we might go to that 6 or 7 again. Let's see how it's going to play out for DVT again. We don't have anything bearish. Right? Just that bullish we called. Strong bullish. Let's go to the daily. I can work with this. I can work with this. Look at that, right? Coming into the same low. Look at where we're going here, right? Like negative to less negative, and a low point on the other side to a higher point, right? Creating bullish divergence. We are at least creating that type 2 bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, that medium bullish divergence. On that note, that's DVT. Not writing, there we go. And now I'm going to move over to RSR, right? On daily, still low. Right, 10.6. I should at 1.06 cents. Should just fucking exit this, dude. And, like, you know, whatever. Low, slightly higher, negative. Right, last negative. Low on the other side, higher on the other side. Nothing there. Sold. 35.92. Let's go to the freaking 1 hour chart, dude. Again, I'm taking a massive bidding here. Coming in lower every time, right? Creating that strong bullish divergence, but it's just failing to take off, right? Look at that from here to here, right? From here to here. I'm gonna ignore that island. Just small islands, yeah. Then that from here to here coming lower, which is okay. So bullish we had, got us to 20 and we rejected, right? Now here to here we don't have anything, right? Negative to more negative, low to lower. Low on their side to a lower point on their side, just short term here, right? It's just very, very marginal. I don't think we're gonna get this one, but like that, right? Some strong bullish starting to develop, but you know, it's just very, very small. Any small drop here would get us these two oversold, and then we could maybe get a rally from that, but you know, that'll be about it for RSR. Since there are no other requests right now, I'm gonna start looking at gold and silver. Gold taking a bounce on the hidden bullish. That's great. All right, trying to head back to that $1,922 area. Sorry, not hidden bullish, strong bullish. Let's see if we get there. Silver also taking a small bounce on here, hidden bullish. Sitting at $23.60. I'll get about it for it. Right? Not a lot. Trying to regain at least 24.62. Right now, $23.59, like we said, right? Dow went up for 110 points, right? It got near that 20 and rejected, but again on hidden bullish. Dow Live going up still today, but failed to get up over 20. Still hidden bullish, right? That's where we're moving up. Let's go check out the S&P. S&P 53 points to the upside, also. You know, moving up, not quite at the 20, but again, had the hidden bullish. London up 118 points, right? Trying to get above that 20, which is okay. We didn't have anything else. Last thing we had was the strong bearish. Let's see if that's going to still play out in here. The K down 307 points, right? Up, sorry, 307 points. Are we doing something higher? No. High, lower, high, positive to negative, and high to low. So nothing there. Last thing we have is hidden bullish, and that's what we're rallying. Getting out of the 20 and really trying to take off from there. Toronto, 177 points to the upside. Again, hidden bullish, sorry, strong bullish here. Action to the outside, managed to move up, hit that 20, rejected it on closing. Tomorrow, if we reject 20, we'll try to move lower again, or we might try to get above it. Still yet to be determined. By the time tomorrow will give us a better clue as to what's going to happen here with the TSX, right? Let's do oil. What's happening with West Texas? Again, hidden bullish, right? Trying to rally on that, getting over that 20, which is okay. Try to use it as support, which is fine also. Nothing else being created here short term, right? All I can see is just, you know, I'm not sure if this is going to play out strong. I'm just going to point it out right now. But look, we're coming in lower and we're going slightly higher here. Right, we don't have it against the RSI, sitting neutral at 50.97. That I'm going to go check out West Texas. Toronto's all energy. No, there's a lot of mining in the Toronto Stock Exchange as well, right? Again, hidden bullish, rallying, getting above the 20 finally on Brent oil as well, which is good. I don't think we're going to call anything yet here. That's going to be it for here, for oil. We do have something though. I mean, this is a positive momentum, right? This is more positive momentum, right? We're coming higher, and then here we're coming lower. I'll just anchor from there. Creating that hidden bearish. I'm not sure if this is going to play out though. I'll just point it out because it's there, but you know, that's about it. Does anyone have any other requests? Jake, how's it going with your game Among Us, dude? I saw you play the other day, or yesterday on Periscope, on Twitter. The game looks fun, dude. You know. Yeah, I hope your gaming session was awesome, bro. Yeah, dude, I know. It looks like it's a lot of fun, dude. tried to join the game, I couldn't, man. That sucks, dude. You know, but it looks like a good game nonetheless. Is it just me, or is like, you know, crypto seems to be losing a little bit of steam, right? Like less people are showing up to the streams. We used to be averaging like 8 to 9 people. Right now we're barely getting like 4 to show up, which is okay. You know, I don't mind. But that to me it just tells me that either people are losing interest in crypto, or they're just, yeah, you know, they're like a little bit bummed because Bitcoin is probably not pumping insanely high. I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah. Any other requests, guys? I'm starting to feel a little bit tired, so if there's no requests, I'm probably just gonna, like, you know, call it a stream, dude. It's going a big run. Yeah, dude, you know, but where's the fun, dude, you know? I like you guys. You guys stick here when the, you know, the prices are down, which is good. That means you like the show. People are just coming when the price is pumping. All they care about is pumps, right? And they don't do anything. It's not good to have a lot of subscribers and few people watching. That's not good for the algorithm, right? It tells YouTube that people like subscribe, but they don't watch the content. So sorry. Now it's time to find hidden gems and hodl. Yeah, I agree, dude. Steve, are you talking about the one that comes up with like the little like dots, right? The red dot, the green dot, and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure what to think about that. Um, you know, I'm not sure what part of that you're talking about, but you know, I was trying to like, open it up on Twitter. Is it this what you were talking about? Uh, Look, you know, I don't think I don't use this, so for me, like, I'm not gonna have a comment on it, right? So I'm not gonna be able to, like, you know, one that has a potential high in November. I'm not sure, dude. Dude, I'm not sure, dude. I'll need to see the chart, right, and to like get it and see how he's working with it. But right now, I wouldn't be able to tell you anything. I haven't seen what he's done there. Sure, bro. Post it in the Discord. I'll look at it later. Dude, I'm not sure if I'm gonna look at it today or tomorrow, but you know, I'm starting to feel like super tired, man. Like I just feel like I just want to crash right now. So I think I'm just gonna call it a stream. Again, thank you guys for being here. You guys are amazing. Thanks for the awesome support that you bring to this channel and this community. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub for reals. Again, on that note, I think I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you, Jake, for being here, man. Thanks for support, Steve, Andrew, also thank you for being here. Peace, love, and huddle. Yeah, bro. Peace, love, and huddle. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night. I hope you have a great time. I hope you enjoy the show. I hope you find it educational. And if you have other friends that want to get into crypto or are into crypto and want to get more information, point them to this channel. I'll be glad to assist them here. That's going to be all for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.